Backing up your car can be nerve-wracking, especially when you can't see what's behind you. Here are the 5 best options I've found and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Wolfbox G840S Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G840S is a 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam that caught my attention with its stunning video quality and broad features, priced at $110.49. If you want an all-in-one solution for safety and clarity while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K resolution means you can zoom in and clearly identify faces or license plates even from a distance of 30 feet. Plus, the 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens significantly reduce blind spots, enhancing your safety during reversing. With over 2,000 units sold in just the past month and a solid reputation for quality, this product stands out. It also features superior night vision, which is crucial for those late-night drives when visibility is low. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you won't look back. The peace of mind it provides while parking or changing lanes makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're someone who does a lot of driving or has a family to keep safe. Skip this one if you're looking for a simple, no-frills backup camera, as it does require some initial setup. For $110.49, it's a solid investment in your safety. Now, if the Wolfbox G840S's complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its user-friendly design. Product number 2. Buenidea Wireless CarPlay Screen. The Buenidea Wireless CarPlay Screen is a 7-inch HD portable car stereo priced at just $48.99, and its ease of use really caught my attention. If you want a budget-friendly option that still gives you smart features, this one is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto features mean you can connect your smartphone effortlessly. Imagine accessing navigation and music without fiddling through cables while driving. The built-in Bluetooth lets you handle calls hands-free, minimizing distractions. Plus, it supports both iOS and Android devices, making it a universal solution for any driver. Now, some users mentioned that the screen could be a bit small for detailed navigation. Here's the thing. While it might not be as immersive as larger screens, the portability and easy installation make it a great choice for those who want flexibility without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple way to upgrade your current vehicle's tech without a complicated setup. Skip this one if you need a more permanent installation or a larger display. At $48.99, it's an unbeatable value for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for someone wanting a more integrated experience. Product number 3. Kiswaran 7-inch Portable CarPlay Screen. The Kiswaran 7-inch HD wireless portable CarPlay screen, retailing at $45.99. What really caught my eye here is its seamless integration with smartphones at an affordable price point. If you want a versatile screen that caters to both Android and iOS users, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The backup camera included with this device provides a 180-degree wide-angle view, making reversing into tight spots a breeze. Coupled with its HD display, you'll get excellent image quality even at night. Plus, it offers wireless mirroring for your phone, meaning you can easily access your favorite apps and navigation tools without hassle. Now, some customers pointed out that the audio quality wasn't as robust as expected. Here's the thing, while it may not rival high-end stereo systems, the flexibility to connect via Bluetooth and AUX keeps it practical for day-to-day driving. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution that enhances your driving experience without too much fuss. Skip this one if you're a die-hard audiophile seeking exceptional sound quality. At $45.99, it's a budget-friendly way to stay connected while on the road. Now, if audio quality is a priority for you, the next product takes connectivity to another level. Product number 4. Pazlita Portable Wireless CarPlay. The Pazlita Portable Wireless CarPlay is another fantastic option, priced at $46.99, and I was impressed by its comprehensive features. If you're looking for a wireless setup that includes voice control, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The voice control feature lets you navigate, make calls, and send messages hands-free, which is incredibly important for maintaining focus on the road. The HD touchscreen is bright and responsive, allowing you to watch videos or access apps smoothly. Plus, the rear-view camera makes parking hassle-free by automatically displaying when reversing. Now, some users reported that the installation kit could use better instructions. Here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the convenience of having everything at your fingertips makes it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use, feature-rich option that enhances your driving experience. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with minor tech setups. But at $46.99, it brings a lot of value for what you pay. Alright, that's a pretty solid option. But if you want something even more budget-friendly with essential features, the next one may just fit the bill. Product number 5. PAS LDA Wireless CarPlay Screen. We have another PAS LDA option, the Wireless CarPlay Screen, coming in at $42.99. This caught my attention for its lightweight design and easy portability. If you want a straightforward and cost-effective way to enhance your vehicle's functionality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wireless CarPlay feature allows you to connect your smartphone without any hassle. The waterproof backup camera included is a real plus, providing visibility even in low-light conditions. Plus, its universal fit means you can easily install it in nearly any vehicle, making it highly convenient. Now, some buyers did mention that the screen resolution might not be as sharp as some competitors. Here's the thing. While it may not be the highest definition available, the price and usability make it a fantastic deal for casual users who want basic features without a hefty price tag. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a no-fuss, easy-to-use solution that gets the job done. Skip this one if you need high-end specifications or a premium feel. At just $42.99, it's incredibly budget-friendly for what it delivers. We've covered some fantastic options for backup cameras, from the comprehensive Wolfbox G840S to the budget-friendly Pazlita models. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Wolfbox G840S because of its all-around performance and safety features.